Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making Nsala soup, that is also known as white soup. These are the ingredients we are going to be making use of. The Nsala soup, known as Ofe Nsala, is one of the Nigerian native soup that is so medicinal. I'm making use of chicken and I've already washed it very well. So I'm going to be adding in cubes to make it tasty. You can actually make use of any meat of your choice. After I must have boiled the meat for a while, I am going to be adding water to this meat in order to give it a proper boiling. Before I started boiling the meat, it was blocked. So I'm trying to separate the meat. After I must have added the water, I'm going to be adding the Nsala spice. This spice is a special spice that is medicinal, which is only used for this Nsala soup. I like to immediately add the yam, which serves as a thickener to this soup. I will be adding crayfish, but I'm not going to add all. I'm going to divide it into two, and then I will add the remaining one later. You can actually introduce your pepper at this stage if you are the type that eats pepper. The fish and the stockfish comes in immediately. I like to also add this so early in order for it to get done. At this stage, I'm going to be giving it some time to boil. As you can see, it is up to 20 minutes. So I'm going to be removing the fish, which I'm going to remove the bone in the fish and put back the fish. Fish deboning is very important to families that have small children that are likely to eat with them. You can actually debone the fish first thing before adding it to the pot, but I like to add it to the pot and later debone it. White soup, known as Ofe Nsala, is a special delicacy in Nigeria, especially in Igbo land, which is used to cleanse the stomach. The yams are ready, so I'm going to be removing them. After I must have removed the yam, remember I said I'm going to be using yam as a thickener, so I'm going to get the yam ready to add it back to the soup. I'm going to be adding water to the pot, which is the quantity of water I want to cook the soup with. I'm getting the yams ready to blend. When you notice at this stage that you have made use of a lot of yams, you must not put all in the soup, because I added the yam so early, which means that the yam is so tasty that you can actually eat it like this. I like making use of the soup water to blend this yam. The choice is yours. You can actually use normal water to blend. It is either you blend the yam or you pound it. For those who have means of pounding, I think pounding is better. This soup does not need red oil, so remember not to add red oil to it. Kindly remove the excess yam in the pot. I'm going to be adding the remaining crayfish. I will be making use of spinach, but you can actually make use of fresh Uziza leaves. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.